The new Adventure King 750 amp jumper leads are cracking bits of gear for carrying in the back of your four-wheel drive for dealing with flat batteries. They're incredibly easy to use, but it's still worth going over the steps so there's no dramas when you do have to use them. Start with both vehicles parked next to each other and with both engines turned off. Connect the red alligator clips to the positive terminals of both vehicles. Make sure the terminals are clean of dirt or corrosion and the alligator clips have a firm grip. Then connect the first black alligator clip to the negative terminal on the boosting vehicle and the second black alligator clip to a good clean metal part of the engine block on the flat vehicle. The indicator light will then come on to show that everything's connected correctly. Start the boosting vehicle's engine and let it settle into a regular idle. Then simply start the vehicle with the flat battery. Once the vehicle with the flat battery is running, turn off the boosting vehicle and disconnect the leads in the reverse order. Now, if for some reason the jump start doesn't work, just check that the alligator clips have got a good grip and connection. If it's a cold day or you're trying to start a diesel that hasn't run in a while, bring the revs on the boosting vehicle up to about 1500 RPM and hold them there for a couple of minutes before trying to start the flat vehicle. And that's all there is to it. Keep the Adventure King 750 amp jumper leads in the back of your four-wheel drive and you'll never have a drama dealing with flat batteries.